Hey, it's Bri, and today we're unboxing my new iPad. If you've been here before, thanks for stopping by. And if you're new here, go ahead and click that red button and subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications, because I know after this video, you guys are gonna wanna see Bri all the time, every time I upload. Okay guys, I don't wanna make this video too long because I actually do have homework that I need to do. Today, we are going to be unboxing my very first iPad. And that is so crazy to me because I have had so many Apple products throughout my life that when I went to go pick up my iPad, it didn't even feel like I never had one before. It just felt like another addition to the family, baby. But you know what, you guys? I was thinking about it when I was getting ready to film this video. It makes sense why I never had an iPad, because I didn't really see the point in having one. But now with me going back to school, it 100% makes sense for me to have an iPad. So let's go ahead and get into it. I am so excited. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I know that this is an unboxing video, so I'm really trying to shut the fuck up. I have been thinking about getting an iPad for over a month. I actually was gonna go pick it up after school yesterday, but on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have a full day of classes, so I really don't want to do anything after school but go straight home. I don't know, I just think it's so crazy to me that I literally made up my mind yesterday that I was gonna go get an iPad. I was in class on my phone looking and trying to decide what color I wanted, if I wanted to get the iPad Air, if I wanted to get an iPad Mini, and honestly, I feel like I went with the best choice, baby. This is the 10th generation iPad. And honestly, for me, it really just came down to the color. So let's go ahead and undress her. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at it. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. I'm so excited. Okay, let me see. Bomb. Beautiful. Let me try to get a thumbnail because it's two baddies. Hey. Wait until we get into the Apple Pencil. Oh my God, the thumbnails gonna eat so bad. Oh, I love it already. I love it already. I feel like this is so me, don't you? I'm pretty sure you guys have bought Apple products before. You already know how this goes. There's an instruction manual that I will not be reading. So this is the new woven USB-C charger that comes with the iPad. And then we have the charger port. You know what? Is this the same charger for the MacBook? That's crazy. So now I have like 3 chargers for my computer. I love that. Thank you, Apple. Let's get this iPad set up. It's super precious to me already. I could tell that I need to hurry up and get a screen protector because that is bothering me already. I need to get a screen protector. I need to get a case because, baby, this is true love. I was thinking about doing an Amazon haul anyway, so make sure you guys stay tuned for an updated iPad video because it is coming, baby. It is on the way. Let's turn this bitch on. So cute. I don't know, I just feel like it's time for me to take my shit to the next level. With that being said, let's get into this pencil, because I saw a lot of people talking crap about the Apple Pencil online, but I mean, I'm one of those people that I'm not about to go on Amazon and get a dupe. I'm not really into that. Let's open up my $100 Apple Pencil, bitch. And for anybody that's interested in going and getting an iPad, if you're gonna get the same one as me, the 10th generation, you have to get the 1st generation pencil, period. Don't ask me why, just get the pencil that is compatible with your iPad before you start complaining online. So let's get into this pencil. Designed by Apple in California, just like me. So here's the pencil, cute as fuck. It comes with an extra tip, and then you charge it like this. And it comes with these 2 things. So let me take this off. Oh. Oh. Am I supposed to take this off? Okay. Oh, it feels good, girl. I like the way it feels. It's very like... Beefing with who, bitch? Not you. It's giving that. It's giving, I don't know. Let me check. It's giving, you're not on the list. You're not. Oh, I'm having the time of my life. Let me get these thumbnails. Actually, let me put some lip gloss.
Eventually.
Let's play around with the pencil really quick. Let's get it connected, because I understand that this is like connected by Bluetooth. Oh, it's not connected yet. What the fuck? That was embarrassing. Oh my God. That was so embarrassing. Okay. I literally just said, let's connect it. And then I'm over here like, why it's not moving? Okay, so settings. I might have to read the instructions on this hoe, because I know it's Bluetooth, but how do I turn you on? En inglés, por favor. En inglés. Draw with Apple Pencil on iPad as if you're using pencil on paper. Don't use it on any other surface. That's crazy, because I watched all these unboxings and nobody actually took the time to read the instructions. I actually need to read the instructions and they not talking about nothing. I guess because I know you're not gonna read it anyway. I gotta watch a tutorial. I cannot figure out how to set this bitch up. Let me watch a tutorial. Hold on. Bitch, I was gonna have a fucking mental breakdown. I was messing around with my pencil. I'm like, why does this bitch not want to work? It took me way too long to pair this pencil to my iPad. Like, literally, I almost started crying. I called Apple support, and literally when I called Apple support and I found out that they're not 24 hours, that they have the fucking audacity to be closed, girl, I was about to lose it. I was really about to lose it, because this pencil, I did not just get it for aesthetic. Like, I bought this iPad to take notes. Like, when I'm done with this video, I'm quite literally going to pull an all-nighter and do my homework. So if this bitch did not connect, man, like, my whole mood was just so fucked up. So I'm happy that this worked out.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple right, watch his ass get thicker. Drinking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, match that fake ass cold. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up.
I don't even want to tell you guys how long it took me to set up my iPad. I said I didn't want to make this video too long, and it won't be. But honestly, it took me hours to film. We're just gonna go ahead and wrap this up. So with that being said, I'm so excited to follow up with you guys when I get all my accessories for my iPad. So please make sure that you stay tuned for that. Now that I've made it to the end of the video, I'm really sitting here thinking about it like, oh my God, I really woke up, got a brand new iPad, an Apple Pencil. I got some freaking AirPods too. And it feels good knowing that all of this is an investment in my future. That's how I want to end this video. I'm so proud of myself that I went out and I got my very first iPad, and I did it because I'm serious about being a student. I'm serious about my academic career, and I'm serious about where I want to go as a businesswoman, boss bitch, whatever you want to call it. That's what I'm about to be. With that being said, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Support your girl. Get those fingers moving in the comments below, and let me know what you guys use your iPads for. If you're currently a student, please let me know any apps that you use that you feel like make your life so much easier, because that is really what I need. I need my life to be as easy as possible when it comes to this school shit. I thank you guys in advance. I should have said this way earlier at the beginning of the video, but make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. With that being said, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Till next time.